You thought it was finally going to work out. The job, the relationship, the opportunity, but then rejected, ignored, dismissed, left in silence. And somewhere inside it starts to hurt. Not just because they said no, but because you started to question your own worth. But here's the truth. Rejection doesn't end us. It reveals us. And when we face that pain with courage, what emerges isn't weakness. It's the unshakable self. As Epictetus said, circumstances don't make the man. They only reveal him to himself. This is the final part in our series on rejection. Today, the Stoic Code presents 4 final principles to help you rise clearer, calmer, stronger. Number 1. Silence restores dignity. You text them, and they never reply. You speak your truth, and it's met with a shrug. Everything in you wants to chase, explain, or lash out. But silence is the path back to yourself. Not passive silence, not suppressing your truth, but intentional silence. A decision to pause, reflect, and reclaim composure. In a world that overshares and reacts instantly, the Stoic response is rare. Step back. Breathe. Let the silence do the talking. It's not withdrawal, it's wisdom. And in that still space, your dignity returns. Number 2. Independence fuels inner confidence. You didn't get picked, so what now? The modern trap is to believe that our confidence comes from visibility. How many likes, callbacks, or matches we get. But Stoicism flips that. Your confidence must be independent. Don't wait to be chosen. Choose your path. Pour energy into your craft, your wellness, your inner life. Go for that walk alone. Work on your side project without telling anyone. Create not for the algorithm, but for the soul. When your sense of self comes from what you create, not what others allow, you become immovable. If you've found clarity in these words, subscribe to the Stoic Code. We're not here to impress the world. We're here to master ourselves. Number 3. Kindness without attachment. You smiled. They didn't smile back. You gave. They took, then vanished. The world says, don't care. But Stoicism says, care. Just don't cling. Be kind. Not because they'll return it, but because you are kind. Detach your goodness from their response. This is emotional maturity. To give love without need. To show compassion without tying your peace to the outcome. Modern example, you send a supportive message. No reply. You still win because your intention was pure. You acted with virtue. Kindness, when untethered from expectation, becomes invincible. Number 4. Composure is strength in action. Rejection shakes us. It brings the heat, anger, sadness, embarrassment. But composure is your armor. Not by numbing your feelings, but by owning them, without letting them own you. The email says, we've chosen someone else. You pause, breathe, go for a walk. You don't spiral, you center. The message ends with, you're great, but you thank them and move forward without losing your center. Every moment you stay composed is training. You're showing your mind, I'm the one in charge here. Composure is not weakness. It's what strength looks like. Rejection doesn't define you. Your response does. So as we end this series, remember, you are not broken. You are being built. Each rejection has been a mirror. Each moment of silence, a forge. Each painful pause, a portal into something deeper. Your values, your clarity, your unshakable self. Start today by applying one of these lessons. Just one. Respond to silence with presence. Anchor your confidence in your craft. Give with grace without needing anything back. And above all, stay composed. This isn't the end. It's a quiet invitation to begin again. Not weaker, but wiser. Not smaller, but steadier. Subscribe to the Stoic Code for more timeless tools to walk this path with calm courage. Share your story in the comments. Someone might need your voice to steady theirs. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Thank you for watching. Walk with calm, walk with strength, and as always, keep walking the Stoic Code.